Hello everyone, this is a quick video about ASUS AC adapter model A15 120 P1A 100 to 240 volt, 15 to 16 Hz, 2 amps. The output is 19 volt, 6.32 amps, and it's manufactured by Chichoni Power Technology. The maximum power consumption is 136 watt hours and the minimum power consumption is 0.10 watt hours. At inside we have groove, insulator, and some marking. It said Samsung. And the circuit covered by this large heatsink with insulator, thermal glue. The cover is hard to open, it's good. And this is the power supply. We have input, fuse, filter by X capacitor, filter by common mode inductor, and it's full bridge rectifier for rectifying with large heatsink, and it's filter again by X capacitor, and it's filter again by inductor for low frequency, and it's filter again by X capacitor again for high frequency. Before it goes to this main capacitor, but before it reach main capacitor, it's the voltage boost by active power factor correction with one transistor and one diode. This is the transformer for active power factor correction. The diode doesn't have heatsink, but the transistor have giant heatsink. For the half bridge switch mode power supply, we have two transistor, the transformer in series with this inductor and capacitor. I don't know what the purpose of this inductor, maybe for detecting current. And after this transformer, it's rectified by this diode and filtered by capacitor and common mode inductor filter. It's have safety Y capacitor for communication between secondary and primary. It's have two octocoupler. From the back we have two chips. This is chip for active power factor correction driving and half bridge, and this is for feedback to main controller. It send current and voltage information with this octocoupler to the main controller. The main controller have this current sense resistor on input. I think it's before the power factor correction, and the current detection on the output amplified by this op amp to the octocoupler to main chips, and this capacitor may be for powering these main chips. We have starting capacitor, and that's it. This is information from the datasheet. Okay, the transistor is MOSFET. For the active power correction is using quasi-resonant, have overcurrent protection, over voltage protection. For the hard bridge, it's have open loop protection, that's good. Overcurrent protection, and of course over temperature protection. This is anti-shick thermistor for detecting the temperature. The position is under a transformer. The operating voltage is between 16 volt to 216.6 volt AC. It's boost into 400 volt for active factor correction. It's have burst mode and combined with Aeropan for I don't know version 6. It's mean the power consumption is low, maybe it's under 0.5 volts. It can supply by external DC voltage like 5 volts standby for other purpose. Okay, you can read other information here. This is the pinout and the description, and this is the typical application. This is the input, filter, transformer, active power factor correction, diode, transistor switching, chips, transformer, feedback optocoupler, and this is the second chips. It's dual op-amp with voltage reference. This is a typical application. In here we have two optocoupler, maybe for voltage and current information. The safety is good. You can see the insulator